Hello everyone, I am Faruk. Today I will mention the five best. Today I will mention the five characteristics of the village. Yes, I love village because one, clear air. Here is very clear because no factory, no car and really fresh air. When you breathe here, you can feel it's fresh, it's clear, it's really good. Yes. Okay. 2. Organic food. You know, if you live in the village, you can plant vegetable or fruit, you know, and everything is organic. We have vegetables, we have fruit, we have bread, cheese, milk, everything. We have everything because, you know, we have the animals, we have plant, we have the place. Yeah, we are farmer and it's really good because food is very delicious. Village food is very healthy. It's really delicious. I like village bread, village cheese. It's really good because fresh, it's organic, you know, and you plant, you know, you are working for it, later you eating. And this is amazing. This is really good. I like this. Okay, 3. You know everybody. What I mean? You know everybody in the village because village is very small and not too much people living here, and you know everybody because yeah, we are living same village. It's good. It's really good. Why? Because it's very safe. When I child and my friends, we are play game on the streets. Yeah, we are travel. We was play football. We was do everything because village is very safe. You know, because you know everybody, and this character is very good because if you are thirsty or hungry, you can go to any house, knock knock, and you can say aunt or aunt or uncle, we are hungry, we are thirsty, we need water or bread, and he or she give you. It's really amazing, you know. If you living in the city, you can go to any house, you know. Yeah, maybe you can go to a neighbor. Hey, I need something. You can give me, and she or he. I don't have, or I don't know. But in the village, no. Everybody is help you because everybody you know you. It's great, really great. I think a city child is not lucky because city family do not allow children for outside or play outside, you know. But we are lucky because we can do everything outside. Yeah, here is very safe. You know everybody, and this is great. Yeah, when I go to Izmir, I was see. Yeah, children is just their father or mother just near and every time like this. But we are not like this. We was travel, we was play. It was really good. I like this. Yes. When I grow, yeah, you know, when I father, I want my children will grow in the village. I want this because this is really important for children. A child living in the village, this child is free. I'm sure this. Okay, next 4. You can talk animals. This is amazing. This is really important. You know why? Okay, why? I know this is crazy, maybe for you, but you can talk animals. When I in the Izmir, sometimes I feel bad. I don't feel good, and I don't want to talk to people because sometimes people don't understand you. But animals not like people. When you feed animals, you can talk. You know, animals not understand you, but I think animals feel you. Yeah, you know, you touching and you talking, and later you feel good. This is really good. I don't know, maybe it's just for me. I don't know. But this is really good. Yeah. Okay, I will show you something. Look, my cat coming here. Just I will say pss, 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 pss. Pss, 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 pss. He will come. Yeah. Pss, pss. Up. Yes. Hey. It's my cat. He's really good. Look. Hey. Pss, pss, pss. Say meow. Yeah. Animals is amazing. You can talk, you can touch, and animals feel you. I know somebody for crazy for this, but I love animals. Okay, go, go, go. Okay, I will give you milk, but later, okay? Later, go. Okay, later. Hey, go, go. No, not no. Okay, last and 5. Maybe this is just for me. Maybe I don't know. I don't know. You can watch stars. Hey, hey, hey! No, no, no. No. Go. You can watch stars at night. You know, because not too much light. When I living in Izmir, I'm looking sky at the night. I can't see any stars, and it's really bad because I was always see stars at the night in the village. You know, this is very special for me. If I see stars on the sky, I feel good. I feel good. This is really amazing for me. I just want to say this 5 characteristic of the village. Video is finished here. If you have idea for village, write the comments, okay? If you liked this video, don't forget subscribe and like. I love you so much. Take care. Goodbye. See you next video. Take care. I love you here.
SUP. SUP.